first meet with Bay. I think that's what I'm gonna put the title as on there. Some boy got the old school beamers, got the 90s. Oh, gotta have that. Gotta have that. What's up, guys? How you doing? Oh my God! Y'all see this? This man put the rap on this shit. I ain't gonna lie, man. This is the first meet in a while. This shit did not disappoint. This shit did not disappoint. Y'all look at this, bro. Look at that shit. That's the hardest sticker I've seen. I ain't seen nobody with that. Jeez. Bro. That shit is clean. Import gang? Bro. This guy with the, oh my God. This shit is clean. With the blacked out headlights. Can't forget about that. Damn. He doing something with that. He doing something. Yeah, two. It's the quarantine, bro. The quarantine.